Right, they're all up in the sky. They had a wee fright in there, but I don't know what caused it. Like, certainly wasn't a hawk. Now they're there. There's quite a few there now. It's time they were up anyway. They need to learn to batch. Okay, there's 3 over there on the roof next door to me. There's 3 up there. Come on, come on, come on, come on. There's 3 there. And they're up there. I won the race on Saturday. I was 1st clubs, 5th club and 6th club. Anik, 69 metre my loft. And I won the trophy. It's called the Hammerhead. It's made out of solid bronze. It's an absolute cracker. See, they're still that fright that's gave them, I mean, they're just all over the sky. All over the sky. Come on. There we go, there you go. See, there's the 3 younger ones up. There you go, that's it. Take off. Take off. See, look at them all. Come on then, come on, come on, come on, come on. They need to learn to batch anyway, that's what's wrong with them. They've not been up that long and they've not learnt to batch it. But they will. There you go, see, they're all coming back now. I've not really got to worry anymore. It's just that I've got a couple of youngers in there that are, I've only put about 3 babies through for the stock loft, or for the middle loft into the umber loft today. So there's various age groups in there. And I can't keep giving them a fright, you know. Not giving them a fright like, but I can't keep forcing them to go up, you know, because the younger ones are there. So we just need to be patient. Look at them all. Look at them all. Everywhere. But they've got to go up anyway, you can't keep them doing any longer, that's it. There you go, come on, come on, come on. There you are, see, they're still flying about all over the shop. Oh, oh, there's a wee checker flag. That was a wee griddle up the chimney. See, that's where the other 2 went. There's 3 went over, 4 went over, but they'll come back. Right, come on, come on. See, that's them all starting to come back. Off you go, off you go. Yeah, they're still all over the shop. They'll come down, they'll be no bother, they'll come back. Look at that 2 coming right down. Couple of loose ones. There's a harrier hen up there. There's another 2 behind it. Oh, below it, I should say. They're 2 hawks, 3 hawks. I think they're harrier hens. That's what they are, eh? God, see that screaming, man. God. Come on. Oh. They'll trap well as well, because I know they're hungry. Still 3 or 4, 5, 6, 7 loose ones up in the sky. Right, I'll catch us all on the next video, guys. Cheery cheery.